These
What color is it? What did Mommy say? Zach, turn that light on.
What light on? That one or that one? Oh, that one.
Abby, turn around this way so I can see you.
Give Zach one. You can get one for yourself, too. No, do you want me to have Zach be Santa Claus, honey?
No.
I won't no on it.
Did you get everything you wanted?
Yeah, I need Zach to be Santa Claus.
No, you're going to be Santa Claus. That's for you, Noah. That is for him,
I
right?
wanted, Mommy, I wanted a butterfly necklace.
Let me see. There you go.
I wanted a butterfly necklace.
There you go. Hey, Noah, one at a time, open a present. Okay, put it. There you go. Zach, you can open yours. Wait, hold on. Let me see that.
What?
Let me see that. Your present. You can't open this one yet.
Why?
Get a different one.
Yeah. Is this okay?
Yeah. Yes, no, you're gonna really get on my nerves. I said open your present.
And it'd be too clear. Thank you.
What?
New underwear. New underwear.
Is that what you wanted?
Uh-huh.
New underwear? You wanted new underwear?
Got the videos on it, is that right?
Thank you!
One
Star
thousand-
Wars underwear!
100.
What is it?
Oh, I see 100.
Oh, no.
Open it up.
Oh!
Cool.
A pink DS! Take it for the underwear, that Star Wars underwear.
Alright, we gotta do some kind of organization with this stuff here.
Here, I'll help.
Okay, Abby, why don't you put your stuff in this chair, honey? Okay, you got a pink DS. What do you think of that?
I like it.
Do you? Alright, now get another present.
So this holds songs, pictures, and videos?
That's
Cool.
Yep.
You gonna use it?
Huh?
You gonna use it?
Yeah, and I can use it with my laptop, too.
What is this for?
I think that wrapping paper is for Noah, and I think the other blue wrapping paper is for Zachary. Pink is for Abby. Other blue.
Other blue? What other blue?
That blue.
What one?
She's like, damn, saw your stuff in the eye.
This was supposed to be the stop.
Go ahead.
Here's mine. Mommy, look.
You know what it was. Those are nice.
A red lightsaber or green.
How about, would it be cool if it was red and green?
It is red and green.
Just like the one you wanted.
I want
What does it say it's from?
I'm keeping my bow.
It doesn't.
Yes, it does.
Oh.
Force Unleashed.
Star Wars: The Force Unleashed.
Can you give me that wrapping paper? Zachary, do you need a knife?
No, I opened it, but I can't get past it. Oh, okay. Cool. These are cool. Thank you.
They'll fit you.
Mommy!
A pony party. that what it's called?
24 for his DS. 24 for my DS. Okay,
Jack, that one in the front there is for you.
Here's one for Abby. Thank you, Noah. And here's one for Noah.
Oh, wireless router for my laptop. Thank you.
It's a helmet! The Star Wars helmet!
It's amazing how Santa Claus knows this stuff, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come here, Gubby.
Oh, and the suit!
Is that what it is?
Yes!
Cool.
It has a helmet, the gun, and the suit probably. Probably the gun. No, it doesn't have the gun with it. A lunchbox! A lunchbox!
What?
I got this as a lunchbox. Can I pass some out?
No, it isn't.
I don't know.
Is that one?
What's in
Yeah,
there?
it says to you. Can I open it? Yes.
Let me show you.
Open it. I can't open mine.
Lip glosses.
Oh, lip glosses and stars. Bracelet!
What is that?
A new movie for my PSP.
What movie is it?
The
League of Extraordinary Gentlemen.
Extraordinary.
You like that movie, right?
Yeah, I never
Give
seen
me your
it.
I want the garbage. You've seen that movie.
I have.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Look, Mommy, bracelet. This stuff is awesome. Bracelet. Okay. This is for...
Let me see it. No.
Try to find the sticker on it.
Huh?
Try to find the sticker on it.
It says to Zach.
Where? Mommy, look. Look at these socks. Those are huge.
Mm-hmm. Straight on. She loves red socks.
Noah, find that one.
Give me the garbage, Abby.
Not my bow.
Okay. Stick your bows on your chair.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You needed new jeans, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, is that sweatshirt that you looked online? It is. Can I try this on?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, Dad, look at this. I saw this at Walmart.
Very cool.
I saw this I want to go.
You can try it on right here. Where do you need to go to?
I saw this at Walmart.
It's funny because it wasn't at Walmart.
Oh, yeah.
Walmart's not the only place to go shopping. What?
Abby. Slow down, honey. I know I want to put your name on it, honey.
You already knew.
You already knew what.
You grabbed it.
You know what's on it.
Yeah, clothes boxes, huh?
Huh? What?
Got a lot of clothes boxes, huh?
But not Monopoly.
I know what this is. A dog.
Is it a dog?
You're supposed to zip it from the bottom up.
Oh.
Thank you.
Mommy.
You're welcome.
Is that what you wanted?
Huh?
Is that what you wanted?
Very cool.
What? It is.
I don't know how you zip these
It
up.
has a calculator.
Look.
No, will you come here?
I don't know how to zip up.
You know how to zip up a jacket?
Yeah.
What?
Zip that up like
It's
that.
a doggy.